Social Studies. 2. Chennai, the city of temples. 2. Chennai, the city of temples. In this chapter, we will learn about climate of the city, food, festivals celebrated, places of tourist interest, many other things of the city, and 2 MCQs. Fill in the blanks. WH questions. Collect information and hold discussion. Chennai is the 4th largest city in India. It was earlier called Madras. This city is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is situated at the southern east coast of India and faces the Bay of Bengal. It is an important port. Chennai can be divided into 2 parts. The old city, also called Georgetown, lies in the northern part of the city. The other part is towards the south of Georgetown. The main road, Anna Salai, runs through this part of Chennai. Chennai, as the part of a coastal region, remains warm and humid throughout the year. People wear cotton clothes. Pleasant sea breezes blow here. The city gets more rain in winter than in summer. The main food is rice. It is eaten with sambar, rasam and curd. Idli, dosa, vada and uttapam are some of the special foods of this city. As Chennai is a metropolitan city, all the main Indian festivals are celebrated here. Pongal, a harvest festival, is the most important festival of this city. It is celebrated in the month of January for 4 days. Chennai is famous for its music and art. Bharatnatyam is the famous classic dance. The city is also known for weaving and designing of clothes. Women wear a sari and a blouse. Men wear veshti and shirt. Girls wear pavadai. The people speak Tamil. English is also spoken by the educated people. There are many factories that manufacture railway coaches, cars, and trucks. Chennai has also a large film industry where hundreds of Tamil films are produced every year. Chennai has many places of tourist attraction. The main attraction of the city is the Marina Beach. It is the second longest beach in the world. Another beach is VGP Golden Beach. It is popular with children because it has some rides and a toy train. Temples, especially Kapleshwara Temple and Parthasarathi Temple in Chennai, has marvelous stone carving on their walls. Activity. Some other places of tourist attraction in Chennai are shown here. Write their names below each. Some new words. Pavadai, a long skirt generally worn by young girls. Stone craving, pictures or statues carved from stone. Recap. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu state. The climate of Chennai is warm and humid throughout the year. Rice with sambar, rasam and curd is the main food of the people. The most important festival is Pongal. It lasts for 4 days. The classical dance form Bharatnatyam belongs to this city. Chennai has many places to visit. The Marina Beach is the main attraction.